شاعر گوشی توپا سرانی گڈگا سندے حیالا نا کشے چا سندگا داشت کنے پلا چا بو تالانیا چا کلا پیش سورے سلام بلوچ جودے آجوی اما سرمچاراں کہ مرچی کوانتا نشتگاں بلوچ دے و بلوچ سرزمین آترا جنگاں سورے سلام اما سنگتاں کے پاکستانی ٹارچر سیل وہ کستے آئیے عذیت گانتا بنداں پاوتی سرزمینہ وہ کستے پاوتی باندھا تھا سورے سلام ہما کلی شہیداں کے آئے ہوتی جان پاوتی گلزمین پاوتی سرڈگار پاوتی مردمانی باندھات پاوتی آجویہ ندر کو تھا اور لعنت بات ہما دلاراں وہ ہما پاکستانی پارلیمنٹ پرست تو آئینی ہما چمچاں کہ درائیں روچا نندہ بلوچ سرمچار بلوچ جوتکار بلوچ راجی گل بلوچ کستے ورنانی کلب زارشانی کنا ہو کے استے ہما پاکستانی ریاست ہو کستے ہما ایجنسیاں بلوچ سنگتانی ڈیٹیلاں دیاں پا چند ذرے آترا پا کستے ہوتی سرزمینہ کو گداری کنا پاوتی ماتے گلزمینہ کو گداری کنا مصد لعنت دین دیاں ہما گداراں
Shame, 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 shame.
Now I would like to express few words in English. As we all know that we are gathered here today for a cause, for a vision, for a mission, which is the freedom of Balochistan. We are gathered here today to condemn the ongoing Pakistani military operations in various parts of Balochistan, to condemn the kill and dump policy which is carrying out by Pakistani army, ISI, FC and their so-called nationalist parties and their thugs. There are many Baloch who they are working for the state, for the peril of ISI, MI in Balochistan and outside of Balochistan to show Baloch cause as a terrorist cause. But we want to show the world, we want to tell the world, we want to tell United Kingdom, United Nations, European Union, all human rights organizations that Baloch are fighting, Baloch are struggling for their just cause of freedom. We are not terrorists, we are not doing any act like Pakistani and Irani extremists and terrorist states. On one hand, Pakistan killing our youths, Pakistan abducting Baloch youths and putting them behind the torture cells, and we are recovering, founding bodies in various parts of Balochistan, and now we are founding the bodies from other parts of Pakistan and in occupied Sindh as well. And on the other hand, we heard in the last two weeks before, Iranian extremist regime, they executed 26 innocent Kurds and 7 or 8 Baloch, and these genocides are going on regular basis. We want international community, we want United Nations to physically intervene in Balochistan and put pressure on Pakistan to leave Balochistan unconditionally. We don't want any kind of resolution with Pakistan. We are not here to negotiate with Pakistan because Pakistan is the occupier. Pakistan occupied Balochistan, Iran occupied Balochistan by force, so we don't want any table talk until they are ready to give us our freedom back. We are struggling to regain our freedom, and I would like to thank all of the comrades who joined us here. I would like to thank friends of BRP. They are doing a very good job that must be appreciated, and we should come under one umbrella. We should leave all our political issues behind and come on a situation where we all can sit, where we all can discuss Baloch issue, and where we can give a subject to those so-called nationalists, so-called traitors, that there is nothing left for you in Baloch nation or in Balochistan. Shame on you people, shame on Pakistani Baloch, those who feel they are proud Pakistani, they are killing their brothers, they are happy when Pakistan abducts a student named Zakir Majid and they do propaganda against that student. They do propaganda.
Shame on occupiers!
There are more than 18,000 people are behind the bars. You should learn from your youth. You should learn from your sister what they are doing. If you can't learn, you have no place in free Balochistan. You can do whatever you want today. But remember, one day you will come in front of court of justice in Balochistan. Long live Baloch freedom movement.
Shame on occupiers! Shame on! Shame on! Shame on! Shame on!